In prime time news this evening, legal battle looming to prevent mining in the Dry Harbor Mountains. Why the St. Anne Municipal Corporation is threatening to sue NROC. And managing COVID in Christmas, the Ministry of Health outlines plan.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: have you changed the type of food you consume since the pandemic? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.